Okay, next we learn about the granaries. Okay, where people will store the grains. Okay, and the next one is dockyard. This is the port. We are going to learn about this two structure. Okay, granaries, by the way, the word itself says people will store the grains in this place only. We are going to learn about this 45.71 long meter. Okay, this is the place, and 15.23 meter wide. This place 45.71 meter long and 15.23 meters wide. Okay, this place, we see this place, we read about this, why they are using this. Okay, this granary is found at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and Kalibang. Okay, this is the place you should know, this Kalibang and Lothal. Okay, in this place only people found this kind of granaries. Okay, yes, the largest granary was found at Mohenjo-daro. This is the place, Mohenjo-daro. Yes, the largest granary found in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, it's measured 45.71 meters length and 15.23 meters breadth, that means wide. At Harappa, there were 2 rows of 6 granaries with wide passage between them. The granaries were used to store surplus grain. Near these granaries, circular brick platform have been found. They were probably meant for threshing the grain. They bring the grains here, they clean and they store in this rooms. Okay, these granaries were built close to rivers so that the grains could be easily transported to the boats and through the boats to the other places. Next we are going to learn about the dockyards. Has been discovered at Lothal. See, we find this port is in Lothal. Okay, at present it's in Gujarat. Okay, Lothal. Yes, Lothal has been discovered. This means dockyard discovered in Lothal. It was important trading and manufacturing center of this Indus Valley civilization. This dockyard made of baked bricks was connected by the channels to the Gulf of Cambay. The dockyard at Lothal was used for carrying out the overseas trade. Okay, this is the picture of the dockyard. Dockyard means, maybe it's a new word for you, this is a port. Okay, people used to do the business from here. They'll come and bring the things here, they take the things, export, import the things from this kind of port. Okay, it's situated in the Lothal, the lower part of the Gujarat. Okay, this is the place, Lothal. Can you see Gujarat? Yes, this is Arabian Sea, the part of Gujarat. Yes, this is Lothal. They found the dockyard there. The Kalibang, they found this granaries there. Even the granaries we find in the Kalibang and Lothal also. Okay, and dockyard they find in the Lothal. Dockyard means a port. Okay, where people will do this trade. Okay, it's made up of baked bricks connected with the channels of the Gulf of Cambay. Okay, the dockyard at Lothal was used for carrying out the overseas trade. Okay, we come to know now town planning, streets of Mohenjo-daro and drainage system, Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro and granaries, then dockyard. You must know to write about everything as one detailed answer or a short note of these things. These things are going to be the assignment for you in your book. It's a 7th answer, I think so. That will be your detailed answer. Okay, in your book. Maybe you don't have a book now at present. Maybe you can write from my teaching itself. The town plan and the perfect, they had a perfect drainage system, the Great Bath, and you can write about the granaries, and you can write about the dockyard. Now you are able to write town planning, the houses planning, the street planning, then that drainage system of the Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath, granaries and the dockyard. You should be able to write off all these things. Okay, that is your assignment. You should write about write a note on the town planning, streets, drainage system, great bath, granaries, dockyard, and then you have to make this map, India map. Take India map and make this important things. What we said, Caliban and Lothal, okay, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Indus River, this 5 rivers, Sutlej, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, these rivers, Peshawar, Takshila. Okay, this thing you can mark in this map. Okay, like important map, important place you can mark in this map.